coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this look here that is all from the dollar store. I absolutely love the dollar store, and I love seeing always what they have, their fun products and things like that. And I thought this would be such a fun tutorial series to do, and absolutely I love it. And I love this look, and honestly I feel like it is so much fun, and they are getting so many fun things in the makeup area and just in general. So I had a blast. Oh, you know what I totally forgot to add into the video was my highlighter. How could I possibly forget? Oh my god, let's just get into this highlighter right now. So this is absolutely insane. Like, it is really great. So here's the highlighter. I'm gonna have to actually just put that on right now. So it's so good. It is so good. It's so reflective. I love it. So let me just do my nose. I always pat my nose. And then of course I use the fan brush from e.l.f. Let's see if this will. Oh my god, it's just like a gold dream. A gold dream. I couldn't believe it. When I opened this up and I put it on, I was like, oh my gosh. I can't believe how reflective and honestly pigmented this is. Do you see? I mean, wow. Wow. Anyway, I can't believe I forgot, because normally I was so excited to put this on the video and then I totally forgot. Oh, now I'm complete. Whoa. Yeah, but also, like, let's talk about this wig. So I knew I was gonna be doing this color scheme, and I was like, I'm gonna throw on this wig that is like super like fun. So I'll have the link up here for the wig review for this piece right here that is actually really fun, and I love the colors. So in this, honestly, I was like, this is gonna go great with this makeup. Let's just roll out this video. Obviously you got the highlighter last, but here we go. All right, starting off with that clean face. Here we go. So I have nothing on my face, no primer, no nothing. And here's the two foundations from the Dollar Tree. One's a BB cream, the other one is foundation. I honestly really like the texture, the color, and everything about the BB cream versus the other one. I'm just showing a comparison of the creaminess. Now, the BB cream here is actually in a color medium. So that was the first color that I actually found. I later found the light, which I used in the first video, and probably moving forward, unless I get really tan, then I'll be using this medium. But of course, using an engorged, as they like to say, beauty sponge. Make sure it is wet and then lightly damped out for patting all over your face. So they didn't have a concealer in my color, but they did have this kind of, I guess you could say, just those other foundation that is why can't I think of it right now? Just one of those foundations. So I'm using it as a concealer. It also came in light, so I was like, this is perfect. So just using it, and honestly just using the brush initially to put it on, and then sponging it. The sponge is a wonder. I mean, I really love the sponge. What's to hate about it? Makes everything look so perfect. So actually I didn't at this time have any powder, so there's no powder on my face at all. I'm just actually, this is such a crime, I'm putting dry right on top of my wet face. Oh my gosh, don't tell anybody. But so of course I love a bronzer, and just bronzing the heck out of my face. Bronzing is one of my most favorite tools ever. I've always used bronzer, like insanely used bronzer for like years and years and years for contouring. So I feel like this whole contouring is nothing new, but of course I'm a little bit more aggressive with it. And of course using the back of the sponge, just since it has all that excess of the foundation, to kind of clean up the little lines for the contouring. So just making sure it looks extra crisp, and then you can go back over everything. I love contouring the nose. I do it all the time. I literally will be sponging probably my face during the entire time, just because you know, I haven't powdered it, and you know, this eyeshadow will be a little flaky, whatever. So I love a hot pink blush. So I just pat it literally with that e.l.f. brush. All my brushes I basically use are e.l.f. I love e.l.f. brushes. First of all, their price point, and they're just easy to use. I really like it. So I'm just patting it all around. I normally sometimes don't pat the
blush all around, but I kind of did with this look because I kind of felt like it would just complement everything, the hair and the colors I was using, a little bit more rosy of a tone. So this color, of course, I love to get really, really light in the front of the eye. So I'll be like using this over and over and over. So I always put this part up first before I do my eyebrows or anything else. So I will do this first with that lighter color of that palette, and then I'll go right into the eyebrows. Now, of course, I am using that this Colormates, which it looks really brown. In this video, you can't really tell so much, I think, because the wig is of that really kind of red sombre color, but for the fact of like, clearly, as you can see, it's pretty like red orangey of a brown, and I really didn't notice it until literally later on in the day when I was like taking it off, and I was like, why do my eyebrows look so red orange? Well, yeah, the color just isn't right. But of course, I did grab a brown pencil, which I've been using in the future for these videos, but honestly, it's like, doesn't matter. This is just fine. It works just fine. It is a little powdery, I found, but honestly, it's fine product, no issues. So using that gold color, of course, I love gold. So I'm just kind of like patting it right on the lid, like nothing crazy, and just kind of blending it all in. Honestly, when I was doing this, I didn't know where I was going to start. I was just going to start, you know, putting it all in. I was only using those 3 colors too, so I couldn't really get too crazy. Using that gold, of course, right underneath the eye as well to kind of give that complement. And just blending away. Like they always say, blending is a workout. So I'm first using this first brush, and I'm realizing it's not giving me enough of the pigmentation. I'm changing to that C brush from e.l.f. I love this brush. I have many of them. It really just places that color like pigmented, like right on the lid. Like as you can see, I'm really getting that color like in the brush and onto my lid. So it's one of my favorite brushes. I have lots of them because I love to change colors and just clearly jam color all over my eyes. Like I am kind of a vibrant, over the top kind of person, so I need it thick. So of course I'm just going back in. I'm probably gonna do this another time or two for sure, but this is just all part of the process of just kind of like stacking it all in. You can really never have enough, I feel like, of that front eye highlighter of the eye. Moving right to this eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner is literally one of my favorites. I really love it. And I honestly really like the brush because it's super fine, like super fine. And it gives me, literally so much control over my exact line that I'm looking for. And I can literally get as sharp as I want with this. And it's more fine than my usual NYX matte eyeliner. And of course, I have been messing around. I do really like the Essence matte, or the Essence liner, that 24-hour, but that one has a felt tip. But this one is like, this is what they say, like, eyeliner so sharp it could cut you, and that is for sure with this brush. So I really like it. Now, what I will tell you moving forward, I'm no longer going to be adding the black eyeliner on as close to my eye as possible because it is pretty liquidy, and I find after I'm done filming the video, it kind of like transfers up and it gets kind of watery, kind of crazy. But what I will tell you is that this eyeliner is seriously black. I feel like it is blacker than the NYX matte. I'm not kidding you. So here I am with just the standard black pencil here, which I'm going to be, of course, doing my waterline here. I love the waterline. It's funny, I've gone like a million years without it, and now that so here I am showing the blackness. I don't know if you just go back. I mean, it was really great just how black the liquid was. So this liner's fine. Like I said, I went like a million years without using or doing the waterline, and now I feel like I can't get enough of it. It's like I do it all the time. So the mascara, honestly, I feel like is the biggest tragedy in the makeup area for the Dollar Tree. It's just really bad. I mean, it is what it is. But these lashes, let's just talk about that. Now that's the savior. Those Colormates, oh my God, I think I mentioned to you before, I thought they were an urban legend. I saw a video on them in the past. I didn't think they were real. And so I normally put my mascara on first, and then but I kind of went backwards. But this lip color, so I really wasn't sure what I was gonna do, which color. Yep, I went right with that pink. That pink was really good. So it's this new metallic, like fuchsia pink, like pretty good. Of course, like you just kind of jam it on. It's not like a one swipe color, but of course that's fine. It's from the dollar store. Check that out. It is fun. So I felt like, yeah, you know what? I needed that metallic. I'm actually really obsessed with this metallic lip balm that I actually bought another one yesterday because I was like, come fall, I'm probably going to wear this like 24/7. But honestly, I really like adding it as a like little super glaze. So of course I really feel like with these, they're pretty thick, like the actual lash line, the lash line, excuse me. So I almost let the glue sit on for like 2 minutes before I put it on my eye, because if not, it's just gonna be all over the place because it has a thicker band, which is fine. I actually don't mind a thicker band, and it has like a little bit of a plastic. You can kind of see some of the glue. It is kind of thick on there, but honestly, I really love these lashes and I feel like they're so great. But I feel like definitely like letting the glue like sit on for probably maybe 2 minutes, like a minute and a half, 2 minutes before putting them on is the best for just it going on easily. See how easy that was? Like boom, boom. Look how great those are. I mean, the Dollar Tree. So I'm actually gonna go right back in and kind of clean up the eye. Now I will tell you, like I've actually never put my eye makeup on and then put my foundation on. That's something I do need to do. So that would obviously fix this part that I'm doing right now and just do it once. But after that cleanup, hair down, and I am ready to go.
So what did you guys think about that? Was that like pretty sweet and amazing? And honestly, all from the dollar store. And it just, I literally can't believe how great the products are. Honestly, I'm really impressed and I'm so excited to start out this series with dollar store beauty. So again, everyone, leave me a comment down below. All the information is down below with the products that I used. And leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. And remember, life is short, have fun, and wear a wig. So we will see you soon. Bye.